So hello, welcome. So today we are unboxing this POCO M6 Plus 5G phone. So this is pretty box. So you can see all the specification like 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM, random access memory and read-only memory. So you can see all the details. This phone comes with Snapdragon 4 Gen 2A octa-cores processor. I think 2.3 clock speed. Powerful processor. Company claim for that no hang phone. Okay, you can see all the details. Let me broke the seal. Wait a second, bro. Let me put some. Where is my knife? I don't have knife, but I have this screwdriver. So we will work with this. It's working fine. Okay, wait a second. You can see this is very pretty box. I love the box. The box is very pretty, and this is a very big box. Let me cut it. Wait a second. Let me carefully handle these seals. So also this phone comes with 108 megapixel front camera plus 2 megapixel rear camera, DSLR like camera and great zoom. Let's see. Also this comes with 30 megapixel front camera, attractive selfie with clear and sharp colors, and screen size is I think 6.79 inch. I think this is full HD screen, and battery comes with I think 5030 mAh battery. Company claims that it will last 2 days. Let's see after the use. You can see this box. Let's see what we have here. Oh, you can see ejector pin, SIM ejector pin. Also we have this manuals. Oh, how to put SIM. Easy. Oh, it comes case. Wow, you can see this case is very pretty solid, and I think it will last long. Wow, amazing. I like this. So we have our phone. Wow, let's see what else we have here. Wow, nowadays you can see this is a 33-watt charger. Wow, good. Thank you for charger. With you can see all the specs of charger. Battery is I think lithium polymer. Also we have I think this. Wait. My panda. Okay, this is I think Type C cable. Nowadays company don't give us charger and case protector case for phone, but thanks for this POCO brand. I think this is from brand of Xiaomi. Cable is long enough, and this is very good cable. So make sure you keep this cable, because after this cable broke or lost, you will need another cable. So this is so that's all. I think weight of the phone is I think 205 gram, and display is 6.79 inch in centimeters, 17.25 centimeter, full HD plus display, 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. I think 550 nits peak brightness, which is low, but I think this is enough if you are a student. Okay, it comes with a Corning Gorilla Glass protection, and you need a processor Android 14 and Snapdragon, also 2.3 gigahertz clock speed. Also you can see there is a HD recording. There's lots of feature on this phone, and this phone is pretty. Look at this, but this is a big phone. If you are a student, you need definitely this. If you don't have laptop, so you can keep this